Silky velvet minced beef congee, yak sui juk. A delicious Chinese, Cantonese, main course recipe. This recipe serves 4 servings. Preparation takes about 20 minutes. And cooking takes around 60 to 75 minutes. Here is what you'll need. 1 cup jasmine rice, 8 to 10 cups water or low-sodium chicken stock, 2 to 3 pieces dried scallops, 1-inch piece fresh ginger, 1 teaspoon neutral oil, a half teaspoon salt, 250 grams lean ground beef, 1 tablespoon light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon Shaoxing rice wine, a half teaspoon toasted sesame oil. Step 1. Rinse the jasmine rice thoroughly in a fine mesh sieve until the water runs clear to remove excess surface starch. Step 2. In a small bowl, toss the damp rice with 1 teaspoon of neutral oil and a pinch of salt. Let it sit for 15 minutes. This helps the grains break down faster into a creamy consistency. Step 3. In a large, heavy-bottomed pot or Dutch oven, bring 9 cups of water or stock to a rolling boil. If using dried scallops, add them now along with their soaking liquid. Step 4. Add the rice to the boiling liquid. Stir immediately to ensure no grains stick to the bottom of the pot. Step 5. Maintain a medium-high heat for 10 minutes, keeping the rice dancing in the water. Then, reduce the heat to low, partially cover the pot, and simmer gently. Step 6. While the congee simmers, prepare the beef. In a medium bowl, combine the minced beef, soy sauce, Shaoxing wine, sesame oil, white pepper, cornstarch, and 1 tablespoon of water. Step 7. Mix the beef vigorously in one direction until it becomes a slightly sticky paste. This ensures the beef stays tender and doesn't clump into hard nuggets. Step 8. Stir the congee every 10 to 15 minutes. As the rice breaks down, it will naturally thicken. If it becomes too thick, whisk in an extra cup of hot water. Step 9. After about 50 to 60 minutes, the rice grains should be completely burst and the texture should be like a thick, silky soup. Add the ginger matchsticks and simmer for another 5 minutes. Step 10. Turn the heat up to medium. Take small spoonfuls of the marinated beef and drop them into the bubbling congee. Use a whisk or chopsticks to break them into very small bits. Step 11. Cook the beef for only 2 to 3 minutes. It cooks very quickly and you want to keep it succulent rather than rubbery. Step 12. Taste the congee and adjust with salt if necessary. Turn off the heat. Step 13. Ladle the hot congee into deep bowls. Top generously with green onions, cilantro, fried shallots, and a dash of white pepper. Step 14. Serve immediately with warm, crispy youtiao on the side for dipping. And that's it. For the full recipe with exact measurements, visit dishwiz.info.